Hindi in Sarajevo.
Tara ulit, special ko kayo. Welcome back to Sarajevo again. We are starting today's journey right outside Hotel Story, our hotel here. Stepping onto the charming pedestrian pathways. Hala, ayusin na ang inyong mga gamit at isuot ang inyong pinaka-komportableng sapatos. Spreading chanelas. As we turn our heels and begin walking down towards Eskenderija area, take a deep breath. Ngayong nagsisimula na ang ating biyahe, iwanan muna natin ang lahat ng stress sa trabaho at bahay. Just focus on the rhythm of your footsteps. Walking along the riverbank towards Kenderija, look at how the old world slowly blends into the modern architectural lines. The historic bridges across the Miljacka River on our left, habang papasok naman tayo sa mas modern at commercial hub ng syudad. The energy here is dynamic but totally relaxed. It's the perfect time to just appreciate how Sarajevo shifts smoothly between its historical and contemporary sides. Halika, itry natin yung famous silang Cepa V. Ano siya? Para siyang beef chorizo na may local bread. Ang sarap-sarap. Wow, wow. We tried their local breads. Ang sarap din. We are now in the city center. Look at the massive glass building and the lively city vibe surrounding us. Ang sarap sa mata, di ba? There is something incredibly exciting about standing at the intersection of the city modern heart. From here, we are making our way directly to the tram station to experience a classic piece of Sarajevo transit. Step inside the iconic tram as it arrives at the platform. Mag-ingat sa pagakbang at humanap ng mga magandang pwesto malapit sa bintana. As the tram door closes and the wheels start rolling on the tracks, we are heading straight back toward the historic east. Sabayan mo ng paborito mong musika habang ninanamnam natin ang biyahe at pinapanood ang pagdaan ng mga gusali sa labas ng bintana. We are heading up the steep, stone-paved lanes toward the fortress. Mapapagod ka ng kaunti at bibilis ang tibok ng puso, pero siguradong sulit ang bawat akbang. As we clear the lower neighborhood lanes, you will notice the historic houses lining the narrow streets. Ramdamin mo na lang ang banayad na simoy ng hangin at ang payapang buhay sa gilid ng bundok habang papalapit tayo sa ating viewing deck. Entering the 4th minute of our tour, and we have finally reached the top. The magnificent yellow fortress. Step onto the old stone walls and look out. The entire valley of the Sarajevo opens up completely right before your eyes. Ang lawak ng langit at kitang-kita mula dito ang pinaghalong sining kultura at kasaysayan ng syudad na nakalatag sa ibaba. This is on the top. Kitang-kita dito ang Sarajevo City, ang buong syudad ng Sarajevo. And here we are back down in the heart of the city, the starry grand ancient lanes. Salamat ulit sa pagsama and I hope you enjoy the journey.